The US stock market is down 640 points. Day after day, the market is down, week after week. A couple of months ago, we were having wild swings from left to right. But now we're seeing day after day, the market is down, day after day. And you know, we're talking about people's retirement, we're talking about pensions, we're talking about so many different things that are going to get affected by this economic manipulation, economic printing of money, buying back stocks, buying back mortgage-backed securities. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen, there's more pain to come, because as we gear up to World War III, we're going to see massive losses, not only in monetary but also in human lives. So very sad day to be a human, because humans are crazy. We want to enslave other humans through poverty, through money printing, through wars. Peace.